What software licensing models work best for school computer labs? Imagine walking into a school computer lab where everything runs smoothly and students can access all the software they need without a hitch. That's the goal, right? Choosing the right licensing model makes this possible. Different models suit different school sizes, budgets, and software needs. Let's look at what options work best for school labs. First, there is the full-time equivalent licensing. This model charges based on the total number of students or staff in the district. It allows all district computers to access the software without buying a license for each device. This simplifies management because you only need to handle one license for the entire district. It's especially good for large schools or districts with many labs. Plus, it saves money because you don't pay per device. Next is floating or concurrent licensing. Think of it like sharing a pool of licenses among many computers. For example, if you have 30 computers but only 10 students using software at a time, you buy 10 licenses. Any student can use the software when a license is free. This model makes sure you're not wasting money on licenses that aren't used all the time. It's perfect for labs where software isn't used constantly. Subscription-based licensing is another popular choice. Schools pay a regular fee, usually every month or year, to access the software. This way, you always get the latest updates and features. It's flexible because you can add or remove licenses as your school's needs change. Cloud-based tools and productivity suites often use this model, making it easy to stay current without extra costs. Perpetual licensing involves a one-time purchase. Once bought, the school can use that version forever. This can be cost-effective over many years but doesn't include automatic updates. If you need the newest features or upgrades, you might have to pay extra. It works well for software that doesn't change much or for schools with tight budgets that prefer a one-time expense. Site or volume licensing covers all computers at a specific location or district. It allows unlimited installations on those machines. This simplifies license management because you only need one license for the entire site. It's a good fit when many devices need the same software, like in multiple labs or classrooms. When deciding which licensing model to choose, schools should think about how many users and devices they have, how often software is used, and whether they want automatic updates. For example, if a lab uses software intermittently, floating licenses can save money. If the school wants to always have the latest tools, subscriptions are a good fit. Managing licenses efficiently reduces administrative work and keeps the school compliant with legal rules. In the end, the best models for school computer labs tend to be full-time equivalent and floating licenses because they balance cost, access, and flexibility. Subscription licenses are great for cloud tools, and site licenses work well when many devices need the same software. Schools should carefully assess their needs to pick the right licensing approach that fits their budget and educational goals.